Good morning, students and friends. Hope you are doing well in the era of COVID 19 pandemic. Today, we are going to see demonstration experiment based on the laser divergence, and we'll try to see its intensity and we'll try to draw graph of its intensity for its first order diffraction and its second order diffraction. In all, we'll try to see how the graph is. This experiment is in Mumbai University's first year BSc second semester demonstration experiment. I would like to show you how this experiment is. This is the experimental setup where there is a source and diffraction grating having 1500 lines per inch and screen. We can see that we have got first order and second order diffraction on the screen. Intensity varies as shown in the format maximum peak for this original spot to adjacent first order diffraction with bit minimum intensity and further lower intensity for the second order diffraction. Now here the laser source and screen has a distance of 110 centimeter, whereas the grating and the screen has got a 25 centimeter difference. Now we'll see the actual setup of the experiment. Dear student, this is a laser source connected, and there is a beautiful bright spot on the wall due to the laser point. Due to the laser point, we can see nice spreading of this light. In this experiment, we are trying to see diffraction of laser beam due to the grating. Now this is a student grating. This is a student grating of around 15,000 lines per inch. We are going to use this student grating for this experiment. We will put this student grating in the path of laser beam and we'll try to see what happens. Let's see. I'm placing this grating in the path of light. Now this is laser beam which is coming down to the student grating, and the single spot has got changed from one central spot to the two more spots. In this experiment, we'll also try to see that what happens to the backside of the grating. So I'll just show you that these spots are also visible at the backside of the grating. Now we'll try to see the intensity by using lux meter. Now at around 30 centimeter from the source, we can see intensity around 800. Before the grating point 550 or 600. Now I'll just try to show you that how intensity varies with the center point, first diffraction and second diffraction. So the intensity at first diffraction is, I'll be now measuring the intensity at center point, first diffraction and second diffraction, which will be visible in our meter. Right now our meter is showing around 3 lux, and now I'm taking this point to the center point, and center point is showing me around 200 lux. From center point to the first diffraction position, intensity is observed at 990 lux around, and at second diffraction point intensity further reduces to the 16 lux, whereas the intensity of laser before entering to the diffraction grating is around 550. And now, as per the readings which we have got in our lux meter, these are the position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as per the diagram, and the intensity recorded is around first is a position 30 centimeters away from the source, second is the position which recorded 550 lux, which is just before the grating, 290 is just after the grating intensity recorded by the lux meter, 200 is the intensity of the central original point, and 90 is the first order intensity, and 15 is the second order diffraction intensity. This diagram is on x-axis there's the number of point, and on y-axis we are showing intensity. The center point, which is original point, is showing 200 lux intensity. Side to first order diffraction is showing around 90 lux intensity, and second order is showing 15 lux intensity. This is where we can see that the intensity drops down drastically as the graph is seen. Now we are going to see the calculation part of this experiment. I'm using Beer-Lambert's law to find out the optical density, which is also known as absorbance. Now, because we have calculated the output intensity of the light and input intensity of the light in the lux unit, we can find out T as per the equation. We can multiply that with the 100 to get the percentage T in this equation, and then we'll find out the log of percentage T to the base 10. Whatever result we get, we'll subtract that result from 2, and whatever comes is a absorbance or optical density. Let me show you. First we are calculating it for a grating, density of the material, of optical density of the material of the grating, where before grating intensity is 550 and after grating intensity is 290, which is placed in the equation, and we get the optical density 0.278, which shows that the transparency of the light is around 72.2%. Now the similar calculation of optical density we have done it for first point and second point, third point, and so on. Where for the after grading and first point, if we calculate, then the transparency comes to 83.2%, which is higher, but obviously because the laser is traveling in air, 72% is because laser is traveling in the glass material of a grating. Now as we come down to determine the absorbance with reference to center point 290 and second point, so as we see for the second point, that means to say reflection from the first order, the transparency comes to be 49.2%, which reduces, and the moment it comes to be third point, the transparency drops down drastically to the 7.2%, and optical density comes to be around 1.28. Now this is the table by which we can find out if the optical density is 0, it is 100% light transmission, and if optical density is 1, it is 10%. If optical density is 2, it is 1%. So for the second order diffraction, our optical density is 1.28, around between 1 and 2, so it comes to be around 7.2% transmission. Now this optical density is from 0 to 6. If we use spectrophotometer, it has got a limitation to determine the optical density up to 4.5 directly, and for the further readings we need to draw the graph and all, but in this case we can determine the optical density or transmission very easily and hopefully up to the 6. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe so that we can come up with the more videos. Now next video which I'll be coming on the LDR. My next video is also on the optics. Thank you very much.